Okay friends, almost done with the alphabet. Today we're doing U, V, W, and X. Letter U is the first one, so we're going to do our tiny loop again. Go down, curve up, come back down on the same line and put your little tail. Tiny loop, curve down, curve up, straight down the same line, and a little tail. Tiny loop, curve down, straight up, straight down, tiny tail. Okay, go ahead and make 5 of those. Just try your best. Remember, if it's not perfect, it's okay. This is for practice. Our next letter is letter V. Letter V is very much like letter U, except it's not so curved in the middle, and it's not going to have a tail. Okay, so it's going to be a little pointier here in the middle, and no tail on this side. So we're going to do our tiny loop, go down and up, tiny loop, down and up, tiny loop, down and up. And just like with the other letters, if you can't get the tiny loop in, just a curve and up is okay. That's still a letter V, okay? That brings us to W. W looks very much like the V. We do our tiny loop, we go down and up, but now we have to go down again and back up. Tiny loop, down, curve up, down, curve up. Tiny loop, down, curve up, down, curve up. And remember again, if you can't get the tiny loop in, just a curve and curve up, it's still a W. Okay, our last letter for today is X. Again, you can pause the video anytime you need to so that you can catch up. X is going to have the tiny loop and cross over and tiny loop, and then we just cross it. Okay, so let's try that again. Tiny loop, cross over, tiny loop, cross. And notice where I cross it, it's right on the dotted line. Tiny loop, cross over, tiny loop, cross. Okay, and again, if you can't get the tiny loop in, just a curve, it's still an X. Okay, go ahead and try to make 5 of those. Tomorrow we'll be doing Y and Z, and then you'll be starting your names. Yay!